Welcome to the Odoo ERP for Manufacturing podcast, where we are basically exploring insights, technology, and strategies that help businesses scale smarter. I'm Nishant, and today we are diving into how SME manufacturers can unlock growth through smarter sales, stock, and customer management using Odoo ERP. So, if you've ever faced delays in invoicing, stock mismatches, or disconnected CRM systems, this episode will show you how a unified ERP can transform these challenges into growth opportunities. So, let's get started. Well, most SME manufacturers operate with multiple disconnected systems. The sales team uses one tool, inventory another, invoicing yet another, and customer data lives somewhere else entirely. Now, this creates hidden costs like missed sales due to stockouts, revenue leakage from invoicing errors, frustrated customers because delivery promise could not be kept, and time wasted reconciling data manually. Now, research shows that companies with fragmented systems experience up to 20% longer order to cash cycles. Imagine promising a client delivery in 3 days and realizing the stock isn't available. Now, this is the silent revenue killer. Now, this is where unified ERP comes into play. For example, by integrating CRM, sales, invoicing, and inventory in one platform, businesses get real time visibility and actionable insights. Now, the benefits are clear. You have faster, more accurate order processing, reduction in errors and revenue leakage, improved customer satisfaction, and optimized inventory management. Now, think of this as connecting all of your departments in one intelligent dashboard so that every decision is data driven and every customer interaction is accurate. Well, among ERP solutions, Odoo ERP basically stands out, especially for SMEs. And why? Well, because it's modular yet fully integrated, you can start with sales and CRM and then scale to stock and invoicing. It is almost scalable and flexible because it works for a single production line or multiple facilities. You have the automation option that reduces manual approvals, invoice errors, and stock mismatches. Also, it comes with user friendly dashboards. That means that managers and executives can see everything in one place. For example, an SME manufacturer using Odoo ERP was able to reduce stockouts by almost 25% and cut invoicing disputes by 40%, simply by connecting their sales, inventory, and customer management processes all together. Now let's break down the four key areas that makes unified ERP so powerful. Well, we have CRM. So with ERP, your customer data is no longer static. Sales and service teams see the full history, stock levels, and delivery schedules in real time. Customer experience improves and retention grows. You have sales, so you get accurate quoting, faster approvals, and reliable order tracking means you have shorter sales cycles and fewer missed opportunities. You get invoicing, so everything is automated, and automated invoicing tied to order and stock movements basically ensures accuracy and faster cash collection while reducing disputes and manual reconciliation. Apart from that, you also get finished goods stock. Now, inventory is no longer a cost center because you have real time tracking, batch level traceability, and automated reordering rules that make stock a strategic asset that drives efficiency and profitability. Now, here's the big picture perspective. ERP is not just a technology tool, but it's a growth engine. So, when CRM, sales, invoicing, and stock work together, you shorten the order to cash cycle, increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, reduce operational inefficiencies, and make strategic data driven decisions. And lastly, to recap, well, SME manufacturers can unlock growth by unifying CRM, sales, invoicing, and stock on a single ERP platform. They can leverage Odoo ERP for automation, scalability, and actionable insights, and turning inventory, customer interactions, and revenue processes into a strategic asset. So, if you want to see how your SME can orchestrate smart operations, faster cost cycles, and happier customers, you can drop us an email at sales@ampagen.com. And thank you for listening to today's podcast. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on transforming business operations into growth engines. Until next time, work smarter and grow faster.